Right now, if you go to MEXC, make a VIP account, the link in the description, half price trading fees, and you can deposit and trade to earn up to $20,000. I want to thank everybody for watching Crypto Revolution. We talk about everything crypto almost daily, jumping right into the market. Today in crypto, Bitcoin spot ETF approval. Could you just imagine how big the green candle is going to be when Bitcoin spot ETF gets approved? This is a meme. Obviously on the news, things change quickly. You just think about the trillions of dollars assets under management by all these huge institutions that are going to start dipping their toe into Bitcoin, and all the clientele that's been demanding Bitcoin as part of their portfolios up only. I definitely think this is exaggerated, obviously, and I say this is a meme. We'll just call it the gigapump. But we're going to have an amazing 2024, 2025 in crypto. Bitcoin spot ETF. I mean, we're at a point where Congress could subpoena the SEC and have them approve a Bitcoin spot ETF. And I think they'll do a lot at a time. But again, the most important thing is Bitcoin will be available to so many more people when the Bitcoin spot ETFs get approved. The future is golden. Just keep pushing. Now, I've got an altcoin I need to talk to you about at the end of this video. I've got a Moonbat group. We're fine-tuning and beta testing a lot of these ideas, but the picks that we've been looking at so far have been doing pretty well. Beta testing the idea, just like the leverage group, we beta tested it for a couple of months and we're killing it. And so same thing with the Moonbat group. Is not like, hey, you need to join the Moonbat group. I'm just going to announce the coins, the picks. I'll probably have to do them in a list. We'll go in the group first, and then I'll talk about them. We'll go through these individually on the channel. The Bitcoin daily chart. Let's get back into it. So understand that you've had this descending trend line in place. Price action has been rejected. Now it's testing it. I don't see breakout volume down here, right? Could you have this inverse head and shoulders? Yes, but it needs to break out of this trend line in order to see a move to about 28,000. Then you got the 200 simple moving average on the weekly as resistance. And you also have, here's the daily 200. That's also resistance. And so this mid-range, but you break the mid-range, 28,000, you could see a run up to 31,500. You come back down here, you lose the range low, you could see 23,000 and then 20,000, right? And again, Bitcoin on the 4-hour chart, it's just a little bit noisier, and you see that you don't have a whole lot of clarity as far as this being a breakout or not. It's right there, make or break now for Bitcoin based on this idea. Got some amazing shout outs to give in my trading group, the leverage group. We're killing it. 478% out of SUI, 136%, 121%, 57, 51, 48, day after day after day, banger after banger. Go to cryptorev.net and you can join the spot trading group, the leverage trading group. If you have questions, you can email cryptobitcoinchris@gmail.com. We can give you the discount codes for the website if you want to pay with a card, or we can take crypto payments via email as well. So Domani Protocol, it's an asset management protocol, makes managing, investing your assets easier than ever before through their high liquidity XTF token funds, one for each digital native funds. And so they're talking about ETFs on a tokenized scale, which these are in turn tradable or redeemable for the underlying assets. So that was the fundamentals in place that we found, and it's up 78% in 5 days. All right. Now I'm going to give you guys this next one we're watching, Cytus, and this is on KuCoin. And if you're not able to trade on KuCoin, that's okay. I've got a ton of MEXC coins coming. Make your MEXC account. You can pick this up with MetaMask. I'll go over an idea so that you can find the contract address. If you're in the US and you want to use MetaMask, you can go to CoinMarketCap, search for Cytus, and then you can see you can add it to your Trust Wallet or your MetaMask right here with the contract address. Now, Cytus has been hit hard. Look at this thing. This thing ran up to 18 cents when it was launched, and now it's looking almost dead. And so one of the things that's important is that these coins don't go to zero. They don't just completely die. Well, Cytus has a ton of news that they're working on. They're developing these coins. They're actually doing work, right? So a bounce out of this coin based on the idea that they're putting in work right now. We need the new money to FOMO into this market to start falling in love with these altcoins, and these altcoins will flip and take off, right? High risk, high reward. You can see you're in this falling wedge, right? 68% chance this breaks out to the upside. That's your safe buy. And this isn't like hold blindly. And the measured move of this pattern as it is would give you a price, or you'd see an increase of about 60 or 70%, right? If this thing breaks out. It's a small cap gaming coin, right? If they're putting out the right marketing materials, they have a good marketing department, if they've got the news and they're active on Twitter, there's a ton of posts on Twitter out of the team here. But they say not a bad achievement on Amazon, hot new releases, #1, or cyberpunk science fiction hot releases, #1. Where the attention goes, the money flows. Mondo CT came out and he says, awesome new game. This is going to be launched. He's got 155,000 followers on Twitter. He says Cytus is going to make a revolution in the Telegram gaming industry. And that's a possible narrative. Telegram, which we use for the trading groups, is reinventing itself. The Tron, T-O-N token has been seen like 50% upside this month. Got like Telegram stories, and it looks like they're kind of going to move to like more social media type platform. And Cytus is making Astrally, which is going to be a game on Telegram, right? So new idea, possible narrative going forward. Also on their Twitter, Cytus Heroes was talking about Linea's, one of their games. They have moved from testnet to mainnet. So this tells me, okay, they're doing work on multiple games. But if we pull up their Twitter, you can see Metaverse made by Cytus Gates, game publisher, multiple game studios, Cytus Heroes, right? They've got, it says, join our Metaverse. They just 30 minutes ago, unlock universe of limitless possibilities. So they've got Metaverse, Cytus Heroes. They've got a BNB chain game coming for Telegram, launching soon. So they got new games, new projects, right? They've got a lot of updates about their current games. Their Cytus Heroes, they have this Astrally game, continuous posts on Twitter. And so that's good. That's what you want to see. You go up here and you look, and they've got 349,000 followers on Twitter. You don't want to see this coin die, but they're putting in the work. But what we need is the new money to FOMO into this market like we talked about. And so that's where you fall back on the chart and you're waiting for this breakout. Right now, it's overheated. The RSI is pretty high, but at some point, there's a 68% chance that this breaks out to the upside. Again, on KuCoin, but you can also pick this up on using your MetaMask wallet with the contract address. Right? The easiest money you've ever made in your life is coming. So just keep pushing, period. If you guys like the content that I provide on a daily basis, be sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment in the comment box. Thanks so much. I'll see you guys tomorrow.